welcome back to my channel. This is Jonah Ardiente, nagsasabing Viva, Viva, Viva Ardiente.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Review tayo ng product.
Napaluwa ako guys. For today's vlog guys, we are here at Linaw Resort guys. Actually, walking distance lang to guys from our house. Makitid yung daan from the main road. So, very adventurous yung pagpunta nyo dito. Hi! But guys, though adventurous, look at the view guys. It's so fascinating and it's one of a kind talaga. Something that you should add to your bucket list guys. You can reserve the place for an exclusive stay here. Entrance fee is carry lang talaga 100 pesos. And for kids, palaki guys, 50 pesos. At saka yung mga baby talaga na i-carry pa, for free lang talaga yun. Lahat ng details ilalagay ko sa description box. So check it out. Let's explore the place. Let's enjoy the day. And yeah, what are you waiting for? Come on! Our first lag of the year, so come and join us. Let's go! Smile! Smile Kian!
There you go!
Hello everyone! So that's it. It's the Linaw Resort dito sa barangay sa Pangdako. Must try siya kasi very exclusive yung place. You are a nature lover guys, definitely magugustuhan nyo dito kasi malapit ito sa Sapa. And the view guys, look at that. So green and yeah, overlooking talaga siya. Instagrammable din siya guys. Pagpunta dito guys is very adventurous if ganun kayo na tao, may enjoy nyo yun. Uphill siya, pabalik sa main road. Kaya pa guys! Kaya pa! Kaya ka po eh. That's it! Diyan magtatapos yung vlog natin ngayon. Guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video. If nag-enjoy kayo guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified for my new uploads. So that's it! Thank you for watching! Again, this is Jonna Ardiente nagsasabing Viva, Viva, Viva Ardiente. See you on my next one. Bye-bye! Iyak ka. Nasaan yung bata? It's a prank!